Please sit.
How are you feeling today? Is the wound on your arm still painful, or do you notice any other symptoms?
Yes, the one still hurt, especially when I move my arm. It feels a bit swollen and warm around the cut, and sometimes the skin itches.
I see. Have you noticed any sign, like pus or increased redness around the wound?
No push, but there is some slight bleeding when I move my arm too much.
Thank you for sharing. The symptoms are typical of a cut wound, but we need to keep the wound clean and monitor for any signs of infection. I will clean the wound carefully and apply a sterile dressing to help it heal properly.
Fine nurse, thank you.
You're welcome.
The patient is suffering from an open cut wound on his arm caused by a sharp object, such as a kitchen knife. This type of wound typically shows clear, straight edges with some bleeding. Around the wound, there might be a redness, swelling, and irritation of the skin. The patient may experience pain, warmth, and tenderness in the affected area. If untreated, there is a risk of infection, which can cause worsening pain, pus, discharge, and fever. Based on that conversation, when the patient says the wound hurts, it means he feels pain or discomfort, typically as a result of tissue damage or injury. Hurts is a general term used to describe the sensation of pain, whether it is sharp, dull, or throbbing. The patient also mentioned that the wound itches. Itching is an uncomfortable sensation on the skin that provokes the urge to scratch. Itching often occurs during the healing process of a wound as a new tissue forms. Assalamualaikum. Can I sit here?
Yes, please.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon.
How are you feeling today? Do you feel any pain or discomfort in your lower back?
Yes, I feel sore and sometimes burning pain in my lower back, especially when I sit or lie down for a long time.
Have you noticed any swelling, warmth, or fluid coming from the throat area?
There is some fluid and the skin around it feels soft and tender.
These are common signs of a pressure ulcer. We need to clean the wound regularly and change your position according to reduce pressure. I will apply a special dressing to protect the area and help with healing.
The elderly patient has developed a pressure ulcer on the lower back due to prolonged immobility. This wound appears as a reddish to darker area within skin, which can be painful and tender to touch. Typical signs include swelling, warmth, and sometimes fluid discharge. If infected, the wound may emit a foul odor, and the patient might develop fever and chills. Also, the patient described the area as sore and having a burning pain. Sore refers to a painful, tender, or sensitive area, often caused by injury, infection, or inflammation. It can make the affected area uncomfortable to touch or move. Burning fine is a specific type of fine that feels like heat, tingling, or stinging and is often associated with nerve irritation or damage. Burning fine is distinct from dull, stabbing, or aching fine and can be a sign of inflammation or pressure on nerves.